Hello, today is Blueberry Day. I'm not sure which blueberry jams I'm going to be making, but I'm going to be making some, or a lot. We went and picked blueberries. Just look at all these lovely blueberries. So this would be what? How big is this container? 11 inches or 27 centimeters by 8 centimeters or 3-ish inches. So we got that. We got another one just like it. We got this thing that we used for strawberries, which is, I don't know, 1 foot by 1.5 feet. I don't know. And by 3 inches and a half. So we got a lot of blueberries. And we'll be doing stuff with them. We've also got some other things that we may, if we have time, be using it as well. So more videos to come, I guess, with tasty fruit jams. Hi! I'm in the middle of cleaning blueberries, and I'm not quite done. Still have this batch to clean up, we have run into a minor problem. Oops! So we've got a batch here. Yay! That's one. Batch back there. Ooh, yes. 2 batches. This is going to be a new experimental jam. Woohoo! Yum, yum, yum. Going to include this and that and some more raspberries from the yard. This is a batch, so I've got let's see, blue cinnamon, blueberry experiment, and blueberry pie all parceled out, and then the new experimental one, and then I still have blueberries, so I'm going to try some blueberry sauce, and I'll save some, of course, to eat until we go and pick more. But there's a minor problem. These are all the jam jars we have left, because I don't really want to put my jam in pints because that's just too ridiculous. So this is not the first time, sadly, that this has happened. And so Steve is gone off to Fleet Farm where the jars are the cheapest.